All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the home menu. So right now I'm selected on the home menu right here. And so you can see here we have cut, copy, paste, and format painter. So this is the clipboard area. Then we have the font area where you can edit the text. So you can edit to make it bold, italic, underlined. We can customize the border of the cells. So for example, if I wanted to do all borders with a black border, or if I want to do the whole sheet, you can do that as well. We can edit the font size. We can do alignment, so top alignment, middle alignment, bottom align, and then do align left, center, and then align right, and then increase indent, and then decrease indent, and orientation. So we can rotate the text, so angle clockwise, counterclockwise, sorry, clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down, format cell alignment, okay? We can wrap the text and merge and center. Then we have numbers, so we can do account number format, we can do percent style, we can do comma style, increase decimal, decrease decimal. Then we have styles, so we have conditional formatting, color scales, format as table. So the cool thing about this, let's do that once, is they have some really cool looking. I'm going to cancel that. What I want to do is I want to well, if this would cooperate with me, which it's not doing right now, what you can do is you can edit the style of the table. So if I did this, okay, then it will give me that style, right? Now if I select the whole thing and then we do that, now let's try it this way. Let's grab blue. Okay, and then we can do cell styles. There you go. So we can make a blue, whatever color you want. I'm just showing you how you can edit that. And then you can insert cells, insert sheet rows, columns, insert sheet. We can delete cells, delete sheet rows, delete columns, delete sheet, and then format. So row height, auto fit row height, column width, auto fit column width, default width, hide and unhide, rename sheets, move and copy, tab color, protect sheet, lock cell, and then format cells. Okay. And then editing, we have auto sum, fill, clear, sort and filter. So the cool thing about this, I'm going to undo. So let's go up here and click on undo until it goes back to the original style of the, there we go. I'm going to hit Control S to save. And so with this, what you can do, and I use this all the time, to document how I'm doing with my courses, from reviews to students to revenue, etc. So if I have 155 students and I have 200 and then 300, right? Okay. So let's say that I want to get a sum of that. Well, here's your sum right here. So all I did was I selected the cells. I selected where I wanted the sum to show up. So if I want it to be over here, okay, then I need to select the cells. So it's basically going to add B1 plus B4. So B1, B2, B3, B4. So B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4 to give me the sum. Then when I hit enter, it shows me 810. So it shows me the total of 155 plus 155 plus 200 plus 300. Okay. So I highly recommend utilizing this. And that's editing. The other thing you do is sort and filter. So if you have a topic up here, so let's delete everything real quick. And I'm going to set no fill, and then I will do courses, reviews, students, just so you can get an idea of how this works. So if you wanted to sort and filter, that's how you do it. You'd have to have a topic for each one, for each row or each cell, and then you could select it and go through and decide what you want to filter. Okay. And then ideas, analyzing your data. So couldn't find any patterns. We couldn't find any significant patterns in the data. You selected to make suggestions. Okay. So they'll give you suggestions if you have data in here, which we don't have. So that's the home menu. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.